Good morning. It's Monday, September 18th, about 6 a.m. Central Time. Look at the precious metals overnight. They're firmer after Friday's rally. We've got gold up $2 at 19.48, silver up 8 cents, 23.48. Copper's unchanged at 3.80, and platinum's up $10 at 9.40. So we have major central bank decisions due out this week. We've got the U.S., the U.K., and the Bank of Japan. So we will see some volatility on those particular data point releases here. And there's a real big belief that the global interest rate hike cycle is coming to an end. So, and what people are really looking for is, when are they going to start easing? So they'll look at the dot plot and they'll see, hey, what are the expectations for more interest rate hikes? I know the last CME Fed Watch tool that I saw, there was like a 93% chance they left rates unchanged for the September meeting, and then there's about a 50-50 chance that they'll raise rates one more time at October or November. My biggest concern is the increase in prices in crude oil. I mean, look at crude oil. We've gone from, we couldn't get out of the low 70s. 72.50 was resistance forever. Now we're at 91.50. So holy cow, we've gone up quite a bit here. So that's definitely going to impact some of those inflation expectations. The Fed will cite that the food and energy are quite volatile, so they don't necessarily pay too much attention to it, but it's definitely pretty alarming how high it is. And if you look at other outside commodities like cocoa, sugar, those have gone parabolic as well. You look at the feeder cattle, live cattle, things like that, they're going parabolic as well. So the precious metals, really the rally on silver is mostly short covering right now. So it was that big rejection when we got down to 22.50 and we reversed on that day. That's where the shorts all covered, because they are looking at that same cycle, 25.26 on the upside and 23.22 on the downside. So they're going to play that range. So when they probably get up to 25.26, they'll probably start pressing the shorts again. So we got to keep an eye on that and just position properly for those kind of things. So looking at the current trend right now on gold, it's still bearish. Your first level of resistance is 1954 and 1963. We've got a close over 1968. That's your trend reversal point. That's where the short traders will go neutral, and then they'll wait for new positioning, most likely if we get above the 200-day moving average, which is 1980. On silver, the current trend is still bearish as well. Your resistance point 2354 and 2378. So the 200-day moving average is 24.16, and then the trend reversal point is 24.36. So got to close over 24.36, basically a buck higher from where we're at. And then I think that those guys will go neutral as well. Your support levels on silver today are 23.01 and 22.71. You don't want to see that market trade below 23 bucks again, because it's going to start attacking those lows. All the people that recently got long are going to kick their positions out. So we just got to keep an eye on those Fed meetings. I think that's going to be really the big thing that dictates it, and how it impacts the dollar, and then how all the commodities will react to it. So the outside markets, they're stronger. We had a big sell-off on U.S. equities on Friday. We're pushing up just a touch here today. We'll see what that does, but equities really haven't gone anywhere in quite a while. And then the dollar index down 8 ticks, 104.90. It's still kind of anchored right around 105. The crude oil market up 75 ticks, 91.52, and your 10-year treasury up 2 basis points at 4.33. So you got any questions, give me a call, 312-858-7303. Remember, futures option trading involves risk of loss. May not be suitable to all investors. Good luck and good trading.